Hello everyone. In the previous chapter, we have discussed about the male reproductive system, we discussed about the female reproductive system, we also saw how fertilization between a sperm and ovum takes place, and we also studied the embryo development. Now in this chapter, we are going to talk about an important related topic, that is reproductive health. So let's see what exactly is reproductive health. A general meaning to this term means that a healthy functional reproductive organ system. But according to WHO, the definition is much more complex. According to WHO, that is the World Health Organization, reproductive health means the total well-being in all the four respects of reproduction. What are these four respects? First, physical. That means there should be no physical abnormality in the reproductive system. Then, emotional. The person should be emotionally stable with respect to reproduction as well as the reproductive acts. Then, again, the behavior of a person is also very important with respect to reproductive health, and the person should be socially responsible also with respect to this concept. So according to WHO, when all these four aspects are correct in a person, we say that the person is reproductively healthy. And what does a reproductive healthy society means? A reproductive healthy society is a society in which the people are having physical as well as functionally normal reproductive organs. Along with that, these people are also having normal emotional and behavioral interactions amongst themselves. When all these type of things are achieved, we say that a society is reproductively healthy in all sex-related aspects. Now, to make a society reproductively healthy, we have seen that it is very important. So many countries and many organizations, they put many kind of efforts to make a society reproductively healthy. And to be very proud of, India was one of the first countries to do so. India initiated reproductive health programs by the name of family planning like this in 1951. So we can say India was one of the first countries to do so. Along with that, today, till date, many wider reproduction related areas are in operation under a scheme known as the Reproductive and Child Healthcare Programs. So this is the logo of this programs, and many government as well as non-government organizations are doing very wonderful work in this respect. Many such programs are led by many government and non-government associations. And these programs, they work in some of the following aspects. Very first is that they deal in sex education. That means they have to educate the young children about sex and sex related aspects. The second is giving them awareness about reproduction and sexually transmitted diseases. Now this goes not only for small children or young children, this also goes for all the people who are in the reproductive age. Then giving knowledge about birth control devices and pregnancy to the people of this particular age. Prevention of sex abuse and related crimes. So these organizations also deal with this. They also prevent female feticide, and they also undergo research on reproduction related areas. So these are in general some of the aspects in which these programs are working towards. But there are many problems also which these organizations have to face. Now to overcome these problems, many strategies have been put up. So let's study some of the strategies which have been used by these organizations. The very first strategy is taking the help of print as well as audio, video, media. Now you can see in the picture background, there are many type of posters which are giving awareness to people related to different reproductive related issues. We can see over here, this is a stamp which was promoted. Then we can see over here, these are some type of banners which were given related to the population control, related to STDs. Similarly over here, these are also certain billboards which are provided to give awareness to people. So we can say the very first strategy was that taking the help of audio visual as well as print media by the government and non-government agencies to create awareness, and this has worked very well as well. Also, parents, many close relatives, teachers and friends also play a major role in passing on healthy type of information. So being a parent, being a friend, being a relative, it somewhere is our responsibility to pass on this information in a healthy aspect in order to make a reproductively as well as healthy society. Then the next strategy was providing sex education to students in school. We can see over here, this is a picture of a teacher which is providing education related to the reproductive organs of male and female regarding various STDs to the children. So, sex education in schools should be encouraged to provide the right information. This is very important. The information can be obtained from many sources, but giving the right information to young children, to students of your age, is very important. This discourages the children, this discourages the young adults in indulging in any myth or misconception related to sex related aspects. So this is very important. Proper information about the reproductive organs, the adolescence, what is that age, what happens in that age, and all the related changes which take place during that. Then safe as well as hygienic sexual practices. Then sexually transmitted diseases, what are these, giving them information about this. All of this information has to be given to young adults so that they can lead to reproductively healthy life. Next type of a strategy used was to inform the people of the reproductive age, different sex related aspects. For example, we can see over here, this is a poster in which there is a newly wedded couple and they are being guided about the contraceptive measures. Similarly, there is a poster over here which is showing the mother the benefits of breastfeeding. Then there is this poster over here about providing proper nutritive diet to the infants. Then this is the poster of a female in which she is helping out, giving the information to pregnant females and the females having young children. So this is also very useful. Educating people, especially in the fertile couples or the people who are in the marriageable age group, about things like the available birth options, then how to take care of a pregnant mother, then postnatal care of the mother and the child, importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities giving to male as well as the female child. These all information would help in making the society reproductively healthy. Then the next strategy was in giving awareness about the sex related crimes and offences. Awareness about the uncontrolled population growth, then social evils like sex abuse and sex related crimes were also provided. All these also help in promoting and in guiding people as to what is correct and what is wrong. And you should voice your opinion against any of this crime. So we can see over here there are posters of child abuse, the sexual abuses which are done to children. Then there is another poster regarding the violence which is done on women. Similarly, these are the posters on eve teasing. So these posters, they have helped in giving an awareness to the females as well as people that what is correct and what is not. Along with this enables the people to think and take up necessary steps to prevent them and thereby build up a healthy reproductive society. To buy these books, you can go to www.cengage.co.in, or you can also find the links in the video description given below. Thank you.